Hi everyone, we can continue exercise 15a. Now we can do question number 28. In the figure given below, the medians BD and CE of a triangle ABC meet at G. Prove that first one, triangle EGD is similar to triangle CGB, and second one, BG is equal to 2GD from the above one. Okay. Given BD and CE are medians. BD and CE are the medians. So what is a median? Median of triangle ABC is a corresponding side corresponding to any side of triangle ABC. We are considering about triangle ABC. So median of a triangle is what? Corresponding to any side is a line joining the midpoint of that side with the opposite vertex. So which is the median given? BD is the median and CE is the median. So median is what? Median of a triangle corresponding to any side is the line joining the midpoint of that side from the opposite vertex. So this is, if you are considering this AB, opposite vertex is this one, midpoint. So EC is the median given and BD is also the median. It is there in the question. So D and E are the midpoints. Since we know B, D and EC are the medians, D and E are the midpoints of AC and AB. D is the midpoint of AC and E is the midpoint of AB. Also, ED is parallel to BC. ED will be parallel to BC. So we know that using midpoint theorem, we can say, what is midpoint theorem? Midpoint theorem, we can say, using midpoint theorem, we can say ED is equal to half BC. ED will be equal to half BC. We studied in 9th standard midpoint theorem. I will say the definition, that is theorem I will read. The line segment joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and is equal to half of it. That is the theorem, midpoint theorem. Line segment joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle. The line segment joining any two sides of a triangle. This line segment joining any two midpoints of any two sides of a triangle. So this is a midpoint. ED is the midpoint. Line segment ED joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle. So ED is the line segment. Here triangle is parallel to the third side and is equal to half of it. Is parallel to, so midpoint theorem says that is parallel to the third side. This line segment will be parallel to the third side. So BC is the third side. If you are considering AB and AC, BC will be the third side. So this is two are parallel. ED is parallel to BC. That's why we are writing ED is parallel to BC using midpoint theorem. And one more condition is that and is equal to half of it. So ED will be equal to half of BC. So that is midpoint theorem. So once again, D and E are the midpoints of AC and AB. Why? Because given BD and CE are the medians. So E and D will be the midpoints. Since E and D are the midpoints, using midpoint theorem, we can say that ED is parallel to BC and ED will be half of BC. So ED is equal to half BC means BC divided by 2. Then BC, ED can be written as ED by 1. So BC we can take it to the left side. So ED divided by BC is equal to 1 by 2. Let it be equation number 1. We want to find out triangle EGD is similar to triangle CGB. For that, we can consider that two triangles that we can consider triangle EGD and triangle CGB. These two triangles should be similar. That is the first part. So angle EGD is equal to angle BGC. Look at angle EGD and BGC. These two angles, vertically opposite angles. Then EDG and GBC. These two angles. This one EDG and GBC. These two are alternate angles. How? We know ED is parallel to BC and BD is the transversal. So these two are alternate angles. So angle EDG is equal to angle GBC. Therefore we can directly write what? Triangle EGD is similar to triangle CGB using AA postulate. That is our first part. Next we can prove the second one. From the first part, triangle EGD is similar to triangle CGB using AA postulate. We proved that. So since it is similar, we can write GD divided by BG is equal to ED divided by BC. But we know ED divided by BC, already we know it is 1 by 2 from the first part. So we can write GD divided by BG is 1 by 2. Why? Because ED by BC is equal to GD by BC. Since ED by BC is 1 by 2, we can say that GD by BG is 1 by 2. Cross multiply, BG is equal to 2 GD. So we are winding up exercise 15A. Next class onwards we can do exercise 15B. Thank you.